What's good, YouTube, man? We got a quick little video fade tutorial, neck fade. Right here, I'm just doing an outline real quick with the Andy Slimline Pro. And I'm going to fade from the edge up right here, keeping it sharp. I love these clippers. These are some of the best cordless clippers out. So definitely go cop these, man. I'm going to put the link in the description. Just finishing up that neck. We're about to hit the other side. And I'm gonna show you guys a quick, easy way to fade the neck line, the taper fade the neck. Look at those Slimline Pro. They just biting, tapping and going. Biting as I tap and go. That's why these some of the best cordless trimmers out, man. Clean up around his ear, and then we're gonna get to the fade. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe to the channel, man. Share the video. Tell a friend to tell a friend. And let's keep growing together, man. So we're gonna start this first part of the fade off with these Oster fast feeds. And right here I have the lever open. It's a quick way to fade, man. It has the lever open. Send that guideline, that first guideline. All right, and I got the one guard right here open. I'm gonna set that next guideline, close it right here, and take that guideline out that we set that we when I open it. This is just a real quick and easy way to fade the back of the neck, man. When you got a taper fade and a neck fade, and you going with the angles of the hair right here. His hair grow in different ways on the bottom of his neck, so I'm just trying to fade it into the way that his hair is growing, and brushing as I fade to make sure that hair is falling into place. All right, and next I'm gonna go ahead and throw in that zero guard or the half guard and finish that blurry fade on out. I'm opening and closing right here also. But you notice I didn't create a line like with the edges or to ball it out, because all you have to do is really just keep that lever open, create your first guideline, and you see these 3 simple techniques. That's pretty much a neck fade blended all the way in.